What's up, guys? Today we are back again with another video. Hopefully we'll start coming out with more frequently than we have been, but today we're going to do an unboxing and initial review of the last fit liners that are custom fit for the 4Runner. So let's get into it. A little unboxing ASMR. Alright, let's see. Got two little tabs here, looks like. And we got two tabs here. Let's see. Remove that box. Alright, so far they look nice and crispy colored. Alright, sweet. Looks like we got both front mats and the back seat mats. Oh, just in case you need to know the user's manual for mats. Interesting that you wouldn't know how to use them, but I guess they have to put them in there for some sort of reason. Oh, let's see, we got another little, it says if they're folded coming out of the package, they'll be fine. They'll restore its resilience. So far, the mats look really nice. Here's the driver's side mat. Looks really nice. Oh. Here's the passenger mat. And let's unwind this center piece. Oh, I like the looks of this one. This is the back seat mat. So, let's see. These look really nice. Let's see. This is a weird thing, but they don't seem to stink, which is a big concern with a lot of rubber mats and things. They got that toxic kind of plastic chemical odor to them. These don't seem to be stinky at all. First initial look, these look great. I think they're going to look good in the 4Runner. Also, we're going to throw them in and see how the fit and coverage is. I currently have another set of mats in there, different brand. We'll get those out and we'll throw these in and see how they look. All right, let's slap these new ones in and I'll show you the fitment. This is passenger. You guys see here the difference in the passenger. So, got this one that I've been using. These, here, I'll do a comparison. This one is a lot thicker mat. This one seems very durable, but definitely a lot thinner. See a little bit different here. This has a little bit more coverage under the seat than this one. These seem a little bit heavier duty. They also have these little traction things to keep it from sliding, which the last fit don't. But I don't think that's going to be an issue because they lock in anyway. Throw in this center one. All right, old mats are out. Let's go over this. We're going to give a real review here. There will be some things I like and some things I don't like. Mats look really good in here. However, my last mats definitely have more coverage. You can see here where the last mat went up. So that's a little bit of a bummer that it doesn't cover as much area there, but covers nicely in here. Let's go look at the driver's side. Driver's side looks good. Same thing here though. You can see the other mats went clear up all the way past here to keep your carpet clean, and you can see how it came down here as well. So these are very nice mats. They look great. I'm sure they're going to do just fine. They do have a lot less coverage than the last ones I have, so consider that. And then one little thing that I just noticed for the back seat one, so this is partially my fault. When I talked to them about receiving these mats, I did say I had the third row, but I don't use it because I didn't know if that meant they were going to send me more mats for the back. However, since I have the third row back there, these mats aren't fit for this back seat. So the fitment is off. However, I'm sure I can talk to them and get that squared away and figured out. But overall, my overall review of these mats, let's see. The mats look great. The ones that are fit appropriately, front and back, are super nice fitting. I do wish they had a little bit more coverage. Like I said, just you can see all the way around. My other ones had a little bit more coverage. Here, let's see. We'll throw this passenger one on top so you can kind of get an idea. So this one that I have comes all the way out to here and up the sides, Take this one out and it only goes to here instead of out to here, and then it only goes up to there. But they're seem to be really good mats. Can't wait to try them out. Other than the backseat ones, I'll have to get that figured out, but they seem nice and durable, good color on them. They seem like they're gonna be nice and easy to clean, and they're actually like pretty thin in comparison to my other ones over here. Not that it matters too much, but it's a little bit lighter weight, but probably just as durable. Yeah, last fit liners, custom made for your vehicle, so go ahead and get you some.